Hello all, welcome to the next subtopic of electrostatics chapter, and that is basic properties of electric charge. So in this concept we are going to learn about four basic properties of electric charge. The four basic properties are: the first one is the additive nature, the additive property that charges can be added with respect to their signs also. That means if suppose it is a positive charge, then it will be plus 2 or plus 3. It will result into plus 5. But if suppose that second charge is minus 3, so we can say plus 2 plus minus 3. And that will result into 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Okay, so that means the charges can be added. The next one we are going to learn is the quantization of charges. That means if suppose we are adding the charges, if we are adding the charges, then it is a discrete nature. Discrete nature, it means it will be increased by a certain defined amount, and that is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay. The next one is the property of conservation of charges. That means charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body while the total charges in the system will remain constant. And the fourth one, we are going to study about the forces of the charge. This is one of the property that opposite charges, they attract each other while similar charges they repel each other. This we are going to learn in this four properties. So let us understand one by one the properties. So the first one is additive nature of charge. Now what do you mean by additive nature of a charge? The additive nature of a charge is same as what mass? Same as mass. Same, we can say similar as mass. If suppose this is what a fan, if you add mass m1, add mass m2, add mass m3 to this fan, what is the total answer? The total answer it is going to be m1 plus m2 plus m3. m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now what is the meaning of this? The meaning is the answer is always positive. The answer is always positive. The answer is always positive. But if suppose you consider a charges, similarly a charge is this is what a system on which we are keeping the charges. So this plus 1 coulomb charge is present over here, here plus 2 coulomb charges are present, here plus 3 coulomb charges are present. Then what is the total charge? 1 plus 2 plus 3, and the answer it will be 6 coulomb. So total 6 coulombs will be present. But if suppose I deposit minus 7 coulomb charge, if suppose I deposit minus 7 coulomb charge, so total charge can be minus 7, which will be minus 7 coulomb, which can be result into minus 1 coulomb. That means the answer can be positive or the answer can be negative. But if suppose again if I add plus 1 coulomb charge to this, so what will be getting minus 1 coulomb plus 1 coulomb. So this will be added, all will be added with 1, and the answer will be 0. Answer will be 0 coulombs. The object is electrically neutral, we can say. The object is electrically neutral. Okay. So this is the difference between the addition in the masses and addition in the charges. So in the masses, if you add the thing, always the things will be added, it will increase. But in the case of charge, if suppose there is a negative charge, then the answer will decrease. The, in masses, the total answers are always positive, but in the case of charge, the answer can be positive, negative, or it can be zero. It depends on the total number of charges present. So what is there? Comparing the additive power of the charge with that of the mass, what we concluded, the first point is the masses of the particle constituting an object are always positive. The masses are always positive, whereas the charge is distributed different parts of the object may be positive or negative. The second point is the total mass of an object is always positive, whereas total charge on an object may be positive or it can be negative or it can be zero. So I gave you an example of this. Okay, so next property that we are going to learn is the quantization of charge. So please pay attention, we are going to learn the three properties. Okay, thank you so much.